Hey guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'll be working out. I don't know, I'm off of my sweat belt because I'm driving the old sweat belt I have. Yes guys, so sit back, relax and wait for the video. Yeah guys, you know, girl fat and girl belly big and all these things, you know. So girl will try lose them. I did a surgery, so you know, belly have a hunch anyway, so you know, that we get rid of. So this is an old sweat belt, you know. Whoa. So guys, I'm warming up. As you can see, I'm warming up. Get into that workout mode. Guys, it's always good to walk it out a little. So as you can see guys, I am warming up. You got to warm up. Yes guys, lift those legs. I am very unfit at this moment. Yes. Yes guys, so this part of the exercise, I am really warming up. I stretch my arm because I'm working my arm muscles. Yes guys, so I'm doing it 20 front way and 20 backward. Yes guys, I'm working out to some soca music, but due to copyright I cannot play it out with soca music because it gives a little vibes and a little pump and a little push. I want me by this, you know. I'm not expensive, but trust me, it is good because when I use it, it makes me sweat a lot. You know, so I know say it good. Yes guys, I am working it out. I am lifting those legs. Yes, as you can see, I'm lifting my legs. I am lifting my legs. As you know, today is my first day starting back exercise. Now I'm stretching. Guys, this is very intense and I do this exercise every day in my bathroom. I do this exercise every day in my bathroom. Yes, it helps to build your abs, your thighs. It's a very intense exercise, guys. Call this exercise apart together. I don't know what's the right name for it. You could comment down below if y'all know the correct name for this exercise. But I know growing up when we used to play and thing, we used to say you're gonna do apart together. Apart together. As you can see, you put your legs apart, your hands apart, and put them back together. You know? Ooh. Each time you work out, you walk it out so you don't get muscle cramps or tear muscles, anything like that, you know. Walk it out. Always remember. Now I'm stretching. Yes guys, please remember to subscribe when y'all watch my video. Guys, I gotta put the camera low because guess what, I want y'all to see what I am doing. The camera that you can't see me. And this one I'm gonna do, it's gonna look like I'm dancing, but guess what, it help with your abs. You understand? Okay? Yes. Whew. So relax like this. Okay? Y'all see me? And I place my hands for balance right here. Y'all see? Then I raise here first. Then I'm gonna come up with my butt, but I'm using my hands for balance. So I'm up, you know, my hair, sorry about my hair just to hold me back. So I'm like this, raise. So you see all I'm at? So all of here is up. Guys, you can feel the tension with the muscles in your belly. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So yes, guys, whew, that helps to build around here. Guys, I could actually feel it. I could actually feel the pain, you know. So I'm gonna go by and do this. I'm not really good at these. And remember, I have a certificate in fitness and nutrition, so I know what I am saying, okay? And nutrition. This is moving, you know? Look at this sweat. And I just started. Listen, belly big. Them not stop cuss me tell me some belly big. I know, you know? I know, but guess what? I'm not doing it for nobody. I'm doing it for myself. I started to work out right before the time get cold. But guess what? I used to run. And it was working. Then I stopped. You see my ear? My ear messy bad. Whenever the customer says she come upon me with her ear dry and something. Yeah, so it is good to stop, take a breather, and start back. Okay? But I don't want to bash me and say, look how she fat. Who is she to tell me how to exercise? I'm just up on my exercise journey. I am at 194 now. And I'm trying to lose 20 pounds. I don't know how fast I'm going to lose it. Because everybody body different. I don't know if I can do it. Because most time when I start exercise, as I get cramp up, so I stop. I have this friend, he does watch my YouTube channel. He live in New York. I'm not call him name because I'm not going to call him name. Me and him used to actually exercise at night time for video call. We used to exercise on video call. Trust me, film exercise, just mad yo. He does watch my video them all the time. So I'm going to see it and I'm going to call me and say, me hear you talk about me. Yes. I'm a friend from years now. Years before me even think so I come to America. Yes, so guys, me really know moves, you know. What else? I have to work on that because I not tear my muscles. You see my thighs, I could split, but my thighs, they're tight at the moment. I need to work out more. So this thing keep coming off because it wear out. So I work without it. You see me? Yes, guys. So guys, what I'm calling it, comment down below and tell me what I'm calling the exercise you're about to do. I don't know the name of it. So y'all gonna comment and tell me what's the name of this exercise, okay? Four. $19, $20. Whew. Guys, I could feel the pain right now. I'm gonna walk again because it's always good to warm up back because you want the blood keep flowing, you know. Yes, so yes, guys. This take a lot. A lot. You know? I remember when I used to go to school, we used to do PE. That's physical education. And this was always one of the things that we do. You could see me? Yes, so I am stretching all here. I am stretching. If you could see me. Yes, guys. Then I'm going to go to the next arm and flash it out. And I'm going to do the same. So actually, I use each hand to pull each hand back. If you guys realize. Yes, guys. I've been working out so long, so I'm actually unfit now. I am very unfit. When I tell you I'm unfit, I am unfit. You know? Whew. And guys, let me tell you, say, I don't really eat a lot. And I eat like one time a day. But this weight ain't going nowhere. You know? I don't know why, but even if I don't lose the weight, I want to be fit. Because sometimes I walk, sometimes when I walk, I start. So guys, now y'all could see the stairs. So now it's time for me to use up the stairs. Oh go. Guys. Guys, this, my head is not touching. I am not that fit. I could feel my abs and my thighs burning. I'm dying. Help! Whew. I hope the neighbor don't hear me as a help. And I'm pull up. Guys, I tell you about the neighbor. It's our time when the door open. Cause you know most people over here, they don't really open the door. And the door open, you know. And somebody called police. You know? Cause them think that somebody broke in the house. This is a very nice neighborhood. Someone called the cops. Cause you know people in America, they don't really keep the door open. And police come. Which that was good. Cause it could have been a case where somebody broke into the house or come in fire or something. You know, somebody did like that. You see me? But now people get used to it by now. I want nails me have left on my finger. I rest of them gone. You know? People get used to us by now. So guys, remember while you are watching this video, the number one rules to subscribe. Don't play with me. I want to subscribe, please. Please guys, let's reach that 1,000 subscribers. Listen, I'm not play greedy, you know. I'm not play greedy. Just when we reach 1,000, then we can ball for more. Because guess what? The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. But let's reach the 1,000 subscribers. Guys, I know we could do it. Okay? So please don't just watch the video. Please remember to subscribe to Life with GOODAS. And today, I am doing some exercise. As I tell you guys, I have a certificate. I can't talk good, you know, in fitness and nutrition. I don't know what I say. I have a certificate in fitness and nutrition. So, I know what I do. So, boy. Yes, guys. So, stay tuned when I finish up my exercise. Oh, I remember when I do exercise, I have to take a breather. No make nobody tell me, say, oh, she exercise and she stop. She might, if you don't run, if you go somewhere they run, after while they go stop and walk. That's the reason why I see a lot of people get tear muscle because them overdo it. But by right when they exercise, because they stop, that don't mean say okay, if you stop for 5 minutes, that don't mean say if you take off the fat, you go now go take off, you go still take it off. You know? As long as they do the right thing. Guys, this one. I always do this in my bathroom. Walk it out again. Always walk it out, okay? You know why? When these places start hurting, you know, after a few days, you know, trouble. So guys, I am finished exercising. So guess what? Guys? I am finished exercising. So I'm gonna dance a little. Cause you know that still work out. So I'm gonna dance a little. And then I'm gonna be out. Dance to one destra girls there. Go Corey, go Corey, go Corey, go Corey. Wine, split go down. I almost tear where I'm not supposed to. No, it's nice here. It's very nice. What you know, it's up. Gotta go on with herself. So here I know, for all of you who say me fat, I always talk about me fat. Me a challenge you know to go up on no head like me. You know, no maga girls or slim girls, you say me fat, me bigger, I'm fat. Me a challenge you know to do any one of these so me do. You know? If you don't do any other move here, then you can call me fat. Guys! Whew. Guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with GOODAS. Guys, that song when me there try dance to, cause you know me can't dance. That is Destra Garcia, which is the Queen of Bacchanal. Yeah, let me put on my Trini accent for y'all. I'm a Jamaican, but I used to live in Trinidad. Let me put on my little Trini accent. Yeah, guys, that's Destra Garcia, Queen of Bacchanal, girl bubble. Bounce it, rhythm it, the pan. Okay? Yes, guys. Oh, my Trini accent sound. Tell me, guys, please remember to subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Love you guys. Coronation. Cause you know, say all I wanna watch my video, them like it up, view it, whatever. I don't just come over here for no reason. I wanna not like it, I wanna still add to it. Yeah, so I wanna thank all of you guys who subscribe. You know, but I still have a far way to go. Cause I just did 277 subscribers. I still have a long way to go, you know. But guys, stay tuned. I have a lot for you guys, but I need enough to make me reach the 1,000 subscribers. You understand? Yes. So love you guys. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm out. Oh, hold on. I must say every time she out. Please don't forget to go over to my sister channel, Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. That's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. The link will be in the description box below. Sister channel, Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. That's VIA''S Kitchen and Lifestyle. The link will be in the description box below, and you guys could follow me on all social media platforms. On Twitter at GOODAS, on Facebook at GOODAS, and on Instagram at Curry_Goodas. That's Curry as in CURRY _ girl tongue clean though, Goodas. You know, that's GOODAS. That's GOODAS. And on Facebook at GOODAS. On Twitter, GOODAS. That's CURRYGOODAS. Thank you guys for watching Life with GOODAS. I'm out. Yes guys, these are some of my videos that you can go back and watch. And please remember the #1 rules to subscribe to Life with Curry Goodas. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. Bye.